Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Vue 3. Today we are going to learn about how to create a Vue project using the Vite. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So first of all, you have to go to your current directory and create a project Vue and go to that directory. Then you have to write a command npm create Vite at the rate latest. If I go to the Vite documentation, here you can see that npm create Vite at the rate latest. If you want to go with the template view, you can also use the my view app with template view. Okay, you can also do that one. Let's see. Currently I'm facing this issue, like there is a timeout, maybe the internet issue. Let's try to install it again. Project name, my app. I will go with the view. It's to be a JavaScript. Yes. Okay, let's go to the project. That's cd my app npm install. It is installing the node modules. Let's see how much time it will take. I don't know what is happening. Let me open with a new terminal. Okay, let's add here npm install. Now I think installing. Now everything is installed. Let's see npm run dev. Okay, here we go with the white project. This is, I don't, terminal is crashed. Close that and let's open it. And here you can see that white plus view project is there. Edit the hello world to test the HMR. Okay, and the rest of the things we'll go with here. Okay, so this is how we can create a view project using the white. Now I'm going to use this to elaborate the more tutorials on that. I can list you all the tutorials. Tan stack query view 3 pine. After that we will go with the tailwind css. Okay, so these are the tutorials which are coming to the next one. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.